guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Cikgu Dayangku Siti, and also you can like my video, and also you can comment at my video, and don't forget to click the bell, okay, to make sure you get notification from my YouTube channel. Bye. Hi, Assalamualaikum, and a very good morning to all my pupils at 1 Bravo. Okay, today still your transition weeks, phase 2, and today we will learn about healthy food. Okay, there are two our learning objective for today. One, what is healthy food mean? Two, what type of healthy food? Okay. So, before I go further, okay, we have to know what is meaning by the healthy food. Okay, so now we look at this. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, healthy eating mean eating a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your healthy, feel good, and have energy. Okay, these nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. Nutrients is important for everyone. Okay, not just all you children, but also your parents, your sisters, your brothers. There are everyone need the nutrients. Okay, so after we know the meaning of the healthy food, now we go to our next learning objective. There are, yes, what type of healthy food? Okay, now we go here. Okay, make it smaller first. Okay, so what type of healthy food? Okay, here's is the pictures. Okay, the first picture is about a, what picture is this, class? Yes, good. This one is a meal. How to spell meal? Yes, M-I-L-K, milk. Okay, good. So, second picture. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, you can see these pictures, okay, together with a bread or with a biscuit. Okay, this we call oats. How to spell oats? Yes, O-A-T-S, oats. Okay, now this one. Do you know what is this? Good. Yes, this is a fruit. Okay, how many of you love to eat fruits? Yes, there are so many of us here like to eat fruit. I also like to eat fruits. I like to eat papaya. I like to eat pineapples, orange. Okay, a lot of fruits I like to eat. Okay, now these pictures. Yes, this one is vegetables. Okay, this one is vegetables. Okay, good. There are a lot of vegetables and a lot of colors here. They are red, green, yellow, orange, okay, red. Okay, there are a lot of colors. So, when there are a lot of colors, okay, we have to eat a lot of vegetables. Okay, now this one. Yes, this one is a fish. How to spell fish? Yes, F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay, the last picture. What is this? Do you know what is this? Rat. There are some white. Yes, this is a meat. How to spell meat? Yes, good. M-E-A-T. Meat. Okay, now you know all type of healthy food here. Okay, now I want to show you about a tips. Okay, listen to this video about a tips of healthy food. Why we have to eat healthy food? Okay, now we listen to this. Okay, okay, so we listen to this one. That is about a tips just now. So you know what thing that you have to do? Yes, you have to eat according to your portions. Good. And then some of you have to eat fruits and vegetables with many different colors because there will be referred to many different minerals and vitamins. Yes, good. And then one more. Yes, good. You have to drink a glass of water every day. Yes, we have to drink a lot of waters to make sure we avoiding the dehydration. Okay. Next, the last one is yes, good. Say no to canned drink because canned drink there are a lot of sugar. So make sure you say no to canned drinks. Okay, now we will go to the next thing that you have to learn. Okay. Okay. So your exercise for today. So this is instruction of your exercise. We read it first, okay, to make sure you know what you have to do. Okay, so first one, you have to listen to this song, this one here, the ping pong song. After that, listen and look at the worksheet. You listen again and look at the worksheet. First task, pupil have to complete the lyrics given in the worksheet. Okay, now this one is the lyric. Okay, there are lyrics given in the worksheet. You have to complete it according to the song here. Okay, and then second task, people write and match the words with the pictures. Okay, here you have to match this word with this picture. Okay, I will not say anything. I will not give you the answers. I will just explain to you what you have to do. Okay, so and then if people have any question, people can ask their English teacher, that is me, okay, in tutorial class. We have our tutorial class after this, okay, after I explain to you about what you have to do today, okay, and then after you have finished your worksheet, okay, you will send a screenshot picture to me, and we take your attendance, or you can text your own attendance. Okay, so where you have to take your attendance, okay, I will give this link to you and this form. You have to take your attendance after you have sent me your screenshot picture of your worksheet. Okay, kamu perlu hantar kehadiran selepas kamu hantar latihan ini secara screenshot picture kepada cikgu secara personal. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good. So, if you have finished, then you can submit your attendance. Okay, so that's all for today. So if you have question after this, you will be together with me in your tutorial class. Okay, I will open a voice chat in your telegram, so we will chat. If you have any question, just say it in that chat room. Okay, so we can discuss whatever problem that you have. If you have internet problem, I will give you something, okay, that related also to this exercise. Okay, so that's all from me for today for your English class. So we will see in your tutorials. Okay, that's all from me. Bye bye.